Welcome to Fruity Kids TV. Are you ready to learn?
Phonics song with 2 words.
A is for apple, A is for ant. B is for ball, B is for bat. C is for cat, C is for car. D is for dog, D is for drum. E is for egg, E is for elephant. F is for frog, F is for fan. G is for goat, G is for gift. H is for hat, H is for house. I is for igloo, I is for ink. J is for jelly, J is for jam. K is for kite, K is for key. L is for lamp, L is for leaf. M is for moon, M is for mat. N is for nest, N is for net. O is for octopus, O is for owl. P is for pig, P is for plate. Q is for queen, Q is for quilt. R is for rabbit, R is for rain. S is for sun, S is for sock. T is for tree, T is for truck. U is for umbrella, U is for urchin. V is for van, V is for vase. W is for wig, W is for whale. X is for xylophone, X is for x-ray. Y is for yellow, Y is for yak. Z is for zebra, Z is for zipper.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Fruity Kids TV. Bye-bye!